Good morning, KP. It's Miss Perkins again. So, we're in a new month, and I sent you yesterday the month's poem. I hope you were able to print it and, have it ready to bring to our Zoom meeting today because it's one of the things we'll be doing. We'll be doing a little old and a little something new. So I'm going to say it for those of you who didn't hear the message yesterday. You know that it goes like this. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except February alone, which has 28 in time, and each leap year 29. So in some months, you can really hear the name of the month, right? 30 days has September, April, last month, right? And 2 months ago, June and November. So April, June. So June would technically have 30 days. We're getting out of school here, which is why we've indicated that here. But I did want you to do the poem. We're going to, I think the words I used in yesterday's morning message were recite. To recite a poem means we're all going to kind of say it out loud together. So that's one thing. Back up to the calendar. Here we go. So here we have the numbers. And it was a little funny yesterday. Ready? We went like this. 1. Yesterday we stopped. And today it's 1, 2. Not too far in yet, right? And you know that we're in the new month of June, right? So here we go with the blue. Today is Tuesday, June. How do we say this one? Yes, 2nd, 2020. Good. All right. Some more numbers. And we've got a double today. All right, I usually love the doubles. However, this number has gotten a little too high. It's all right, here we go. So we're going to count on from 53 and keep going with those red dots. So ready? 54, 55. So 55, no school days. And you know that when we get down here, we're going to be talking about some June birthdays. Another thing on our Zoom today, I love Tuesdays because I love being able to see all of you in person. Well, sort of over a camera, but at least I get to see you and hear you and, see your smiles and just enjoy all of you. So I enjoy you so much that guess what is in the estimation jar today? You know that I ordered new what? Yes, gems. And then I put them in this clinking jar so you could really hear them going in. Well, these are the ones in the estimation jar that are left. Usually I count what I put in. I didn't today. I dumped them in from the bag. And I have no idea how many are in here myself. So I hope you think about a thoughtful guess, because what I like to do, not all in one day, but I know that chunk by chunk, we can get more of those into this clinky jar. And I think we can do it before we get to the end of school, or the end of, what do we call this kind of schooling, right? From home. So I look forward to that. Let me read you the message today. Today is, oh, I almost forgot something. Sometimes I do. Ready? It's this one in the purple. How can I forget that? Look outside your window. Look outside a door. What are you seeing? Have you been out yet? What are you feeling? Okay, or your parents can tell you about the weather and the temperature, but take a peek out there so you know for yourself. And we go like this, right? The weather today is blank and blank. fill in those blanks. Now I'm going to move on to the morning message. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020. We will be learning something new on our 10:30 a.m. large group Zoom meeting. I have attached 2 activities for you to copy and color. Please bring them for our meeting this morning. So, along with that, remember that from yesterday, you've got it in your head anyway, but it's the month's poem. So you'd want to bring that along. You'd want to bring along the 2 activities I'm sending along. They have to do with 3 letters together, I-N-G. And when you put those together, sometimes kids will say to me, what is that letter? Or what is that sound? Right? It's actually a chunk of letters together. I-N-G says ing. So we're going to be talking about ing in a couple of different ways today. So bring what I'm sending you. If you don't get a chance to do it, that's okay. You can always do it after because you'll know a lot more after anyway. Okay? All right. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.